Welcome to another episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator. Today, I would like to talk about my makeup and my nails. This is probably my second upload for the night. And I already did an upload to a new beauty tip featuring Noog face mask hydrating. It has camellia seed oil, and you'll hear the rest of how this works in the video I just posted, I feel like a few minutes ago. And it's pretty good, and I absolutely love what it did for my face. So if you want to know how I am currently using this, check out that video. And also, I hint that I will also be, well, that ain't no glue in there, no way. I also hint that I'll be using my Kleenex Daily Cleansing Cushion. It's only for a single use. There's only one cushion in there. And I'm going to be using this for my next makeup look when I decide to remove my makeup. Because I am in the process of actually going to see Black Panther. It's coming out February 15th. So that's approximately 5 days away. And I am super excited. I hope you like my decoration. I am also in the spirit of Mardi Gras, which is the 13th. So yeah, I decided to, get my nails planted up on the wall, decided to do some hammering. I got a calendar. This calendar is pretty dope. This is, let me show you. See if I can do this without, there you go. This calendar here is absolutely amazing. This is the what is this? Okay, this is a history of racial injustice 2018 calendar, and I absolutely love it because I'm all for racial equality and things of that nature, and this is just the icing on this amazing equality cake. I absolutely love it. Since we're in February, which is Black History Month, I wanted to discuss with you guys the day in history. So 1915 of this day, The Birth of a Nation premieres this week in Los Angeles with this white supremacist theme, use of white actors in blackface to play African Americans, and celebration of the KKK becomes a hit. So there was a film out, because as you all know, Nate Parker, he did the movie of the same title, except it was about Nat Turner. Yeah, it was about Nat Turner rebelling against his slave masters. But there was another movie where it was pretty much displaying the ignorance of how black people were supposed to look like and things of that nature. I wanted to talk about why I put this calendar up here. This is my first time ever using a calendar in my room, and I absolutely I love this, dude. Like, I love seeing my history, whether it's in like a book or my phone, or whether it's, just simply like on a calendar. I think it's really dope. And of course, I think it goes really well with the beads. Even though it's a bit much, I absolutely love it. And my letters are dope. I don't care. They're absolutely amazing. So I'm going to turn this TV off because it's distracting me. I wanted to, like I said, do another video, hopefully a makeup tutorial. So I'll probably do two tutorials based off my makeup look. One will be putting on the makeup, and I will show you that in its entirety. I wanted to use a whole new palette. I think that palette's in my purse. Or is it in here? Yeah, I wanted to use this new palette that I got from my grandmother, my father's mom. And this is a Cameo palette. It has eyeshadows, blush, lipsticks, and a pressed powder. It even comes with its own mascara and pencils, like the eyeliner pencil and a lip pencil. It even comes with its own brushes. So this is one of the brushes. This is a brush from a different this is actually from my Nika K palette, which I haven't showed you, but I'll show you soon. I'll probably use this and the Nika K. I'm not sure. I haven't decided yet. But yes, honey. These are the lip brushes. Well, this is a lip brush. And then you got the blush brush. And then this is the smudge brush that it came with. It came with two, but I decided to use that for another eyeshadow palette. So I'm excited to use this. Check out the eyeshadow, you guys. I'm going to close this up so the brushes won't fall. But yes, check out the eyeshadow stuff. I had to fix one because it was like making a mess. And it's this white one here. None of that little alcohol couldn't fix. And I'm so glad I bought it. But show you guys, check out the colors. I am really feeling the darker colors, especially this one here. I'm going to swatch it for you. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. These dark colors look amazing. And you cannot tell me that they look bomb. You cannot tell me that they don't look bomb. Like, seriously, look at that. I'm really also interested in which color. I never highlight my brow bone, and I wanted to try that. So I thought that maybe this yellow, this pink, or even the white could really do it. Check out the yellow, though. The yellow is so cute. The pink is absolutely amazing. And the white, oh my gosh, it just looks so pretty. But what really caught my eye was not the mascara, not the eyeshadows, but the blushes. I'm going to take these out because, like I said, I don't want these to, like, fall out. Oh, they're not falling out. Okay, good. But these blushes, ladies, check this out. Oh my gosh. Isn't this the perfect highlight or what? Let's just get a swallow of these. Bam. I cannot wait to use these as a highlight. Because that would be so dope. You know what I mean? And then, like I said, it came with its own mascara too. Even though I use my CoverGirl mascara religiously. I want to test this out. I don't know why I sniff it. But this is the mini mascara. And then, of course, the lip pencil. Oh. And it doesn't go dull when you use it. Yo, I did one freaking swatch of the lip pencil and the eyeshadow pencil. Instantly in love. Oh, I think that's glue or something. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Put that on. Yes. Yo, that with that lip pencil and that freaking... I'm in love. So, yes. I'm willing to try different things. And the lipsticks, I'm not going to swatch them because they weren't swatchable enough for me to really show you. But if you saw the lipsticks, then let me know what you think if you would use this palette. But that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click notification bell where we notify of all of my videos, because this palette will be used on the 15th. I'm so excited. And until then, I will see you all next time. Bye.